So this is my introduction. What about your screening in the screen? What about you are seeing in the screen? No, that is Academy of Private Investor. This is started in 2011. So on behind of this API, Academy of Private Investor, that is a financial institution started by our great CEO Andrei Horotov. So he is from Russia, and he is a business coach. And I am going to introduce him in a vast manner. Before I start, this is our society. New economic evolution of the world is a new consumer community society. What is the purpose of forming this society in 2011? In order to bring the society, that is consumers, the members of the consumers must be world population 15%. What I can say, 15% of the entire world population, that is nothing but 1.1 billion people, is our target to integrate with our new consumer community society and imparting them financial education. Through that financial education, we have to give enormous knowledge to them, and then onwards they will realize what is financial independence, what is the financial freedom, how to go and how to integrate with this. Okay, so by now in our world there is no one teaches us the financial education in a transparent manner. So our Academy of Private Investor, it teaches us from 2011. So there is a beauty. What we get ultimately. So while you are studying here in our consumer community, in our Academy of Private Investor, you will get investment thinking. What is the meaning of investment thinking? Investment, you know. Okay. What about the investment thinking? It is nothing but an idea which is emerged in your mind. Where we invest, for what purpose you are investing, how much growth it will be, and how long we have to wait. So these are the investment thinking. Why? Because we are all earning at the hard work, at our mind work. Okay, after getting several experience, after getting several education, so you are hardly earning your money. Okay, by hardly earning your money, if you start investing, it should be very wise. It shouldn't be wasted. Your principal money must be guaranteed. It shouldn't be loss. It shouldn't be loss actually. So then only you can start attaining your profit. Okay, that's why while you are studying your financial education, you will be getting knowledge how to invest, and through that how to get your prosperity life. So this is your study, invest and prosper. So while you are going to start this financial education, you'll confidently start investing in education. Then after, your prosperity life will be realized by you. Okay. So before we start everything, so this is the disclaimer, compliance and disclaimer session. So here there are technical terms are there. Educational information product, EAP. So what is this? So we are giving financial education through these packages. And one more term, MLCI, multi-level crowd investing. What is this technology? MLCI is nothing but it is a plan in order to improve the crowd for our society. Why we have to improve the crowd for our society? In order to give the financial education for our consumer society. Okay, so because we already hear more than 15 lakhs people, that is 1.5 million people are there. So for all these people, we have to give the financial education. That is the MLCA, crowd multi-level crowd investing technology. CRU, crypto unit, is an internal point for token. So it's like a digital stock analogy. So we are trying to form a investment forum in future. For that, right now we are giving free gifted tokens for every student who are joining in our educational institution. Okay, so we are not a licensed, we are not a broker, and we are not a licensed share seller in order to sell our shares or tokens. So in every country, there is a laws of the country, rules and regulation are changing. Okay, so we do not provide financial or investment consultation. We are not consultant. We are not giving any financial consultations. What are all the calculations we are provided for our education. It's only for illustrative purposes only. So do your own due diligence and connect with a licensed accountant or financial advisor in your country, so that if you are having any doubt, you can consult with them and continue with this. Okay. But as per our things, we are going very legally, very genuinely. We are giving free education. In addition to that, we are giving free gifted CRU points that will be giving more profits in future. So this is our complaints and disclaimer. Okay, what is our today agenda? So that is first part and second part. So we are now dealing only the first part today. Investment thinking. As I already said, how to invest very wisely, how to be that investment safe, and how it will be converted multiple times. What time we have to leave that investment. So these are all that consist of investment thinking. So that while you do analyze this topic, so there comes the Academy of Private Investor, which is going to guide you in every aspect. So what is the role of financial literacy that we are going to see today? There is one more club of our private investor club. So what is the growth prospect and what are the bonuses you can get out of that, and what is global CRE portfolio that you are going to see today, and multi-level crowd investing. So if you feel our company is good and our education is good, if you feel in order to travel with us, there is a one beautiful wonderful department, that is multi-level crowd investing department. There you can indulge yourself and you can parallelly grow with us also, with our API, Academy of Private Investor, with our new consumer community society. So what is the objective of new economic evolution of the world? What is the purpose of forming new this consumer community society? So that we are going to do explain today. Our mission, what is our mission actually? So we are having some 5 targets in our mind. By holding these 5 targets only, we are vigorously traveling across our universe starting from 2011. So first one is global distribution of the wealth. What is the meaning? So this term is very new for everyone. Global distribution of wealth you know already, but what about the global distribution? So your wealth, your asset, you are getting a chance to cultivate, to develop your assets across global. So you can think it of wherever you are in a country, I don't know, you may be in India, you may be in UK, you may be in US, but you are getting a chance through our new economic evolution of the world society in order to improve our assets globally, worldwide, and getting a passive income out of that month on month. So that is our global distribution of the wealth. Security and protection for your life. For example, in order to imagine these things, security and protection. For example, if you are going for a job, so you are working for 10 to 15 years. After 15 years, if you are earning for your survival only, what about your saving? What about your future? At the end of 15 years, again you are realizing I wasted my 15 years life. So there comes the security and protection. So that's why while you are going to do job, so there may not be any security and protection. What happen in future that we don't know. For example, I can say with the realistic example today. So by January, we are also celebrated our new consumer, that is our second birthday. Okay, first year anniversary in January. But what about, we may not think Corona happened. Corona, that is pandemic situation, happened in February across the universe. Due to that, everyone got unemployed. Almost 50% of the people who are in employment, they lost the job. They lose the job. Okay, so that's why there is no security and protection in their gaining history, in their life. So that's why. So but here we are giving this security and protection, helping others. So when we are going to help others, you can imagine. So if we got survived, if we get sufficient money, if we get sufficient happiness, So if we get sufficient of everything, then only you can help others without any that is we can help others, help society. So that's why we can do here. Okay, so this career is not only for you. If you will, if you get sufficient money, if you get sufficient wealth, then you are automatically helping towards your society, your relation, your friends, everyone who love. Okay, so that's why helping others, that is also one more chance it is giving in our society to help others. Prosperity and happiness. So that's why prosperity. While you wealth, automatically wealth is created through that wealth, through that in a, through that money, you'll be automatically getting happiness. So, for example, if you are paying the bills correctly in time, in advance, so what will happen? Your money will create the happiness for you. That's why the prosperity and happiness. On time, you are clearing every bill. There is no liability. There is no asset. That is sorry. There is no liability. Only asset. So everywhere you see, every side you see your passive income is already generating. Your asset is generating the income peacefully, month on month, day by day, day by day, day by day. That's why the prosperity. If it happens in your life, automatically your happiness will come. That happiness will be enjoyed not only by you, your family, and then your relation, your friends, entire society. You are spreading the happiness. Okay, that's the thing. That's chance you will get in you, and realization of the dreams. So dreams. So thinking dreams is everyone's freedom. But what we are doing actually, we are compromising. You just imagine one of the triangle. What happens if we divide the triangle into three sections? One is above average, and then medium people, and then low level people. So all the people who take birth in our Earth planet is having his own rights to own rights to dream. But what we are doing actually, you can imagine. So we are compromising the dreams for everything, for anything. It's not possible. Okay, we are saying it's not possible. There is no guidance. There is no support. No one is teaching us. Several obstacles are there. I cannot go further. There is no dream. There is no target. So that's why we are compromising our dream. Why we have to compromise? So for all these points, there is global distribution of wealth, security and protection, helping others, prosperity and happiness, realization of the dream. So for all these areas, our new. That's why we take birth from 2011. Now we are running 9th year. Okay. So these everything you will get in life if you travel with us. Okay. I'm saying three pillars of new. What about the three pillars of new? One is education, not the traditional education, financial education, co-ownership. So while you are taking this education, behind you are getting an ownership of all the new society companies, and you are getting a chance to get passive income. Even though you are not doing anything for our society, you will be getting a passive income. You are doing your regular routine, but you are getting a passive income using GitHub. That is the co-ownership option. This will be getting, that second option will be getting only if you join with our financial educational courses through our educational information packages. So what about the third business, third pillar? So third pillar, this is the heart of our company. Why I am saying this? So we are helping for the management. If you are very well satisfied with our financial education department, if you are very understanding and confidence about our co-ownership department, co-ownership pillar, then you will automatically indulge in our MLCA technique, that is multi-level crowd investing department. So I am going to explain these three pillars of new. So you have to be very keenly observe these things because it is not taught by anywhere in our universe. Okay, so that's the speciality, that's the uniqueness of our new. Academia Private Investor, that is a global online portal within 9 years of expertise. I already told you it is started in 2011. So it's an online portal where we are giving education through online also and offline also from the beginning of 2011. Till now what we have done, so we already reached more than 176 countries. Already we are reached more than 13.5 million people. Nowadays it is more than 15 million people for all got financial education with us, and they realized their part, and they are realized their target vision. So our teachers are more than 23 to 25 years experience in investment financial education across the universe. You can join anywhere from any nook and corner of the country. There is not a problem. You are in India, you are in UK, you are in Germany, Russia, France, or Nigeria, Ghana, wherever in our universe. There is no problem at all. You can connect with us through online. So we are giving education through Academy of Private Investor. Shortly, we can call it as API. Okay. So practical studies. We are not giving only the theoretical studies here, as we are doing in your traditional education. So this is entirely different. You will be definitely realize that if you join with us. Practical studies in areas of finance, investment, and personal growth. So not only finance and investment. It's what about the personal growth? Personal growth is the one is ability, your ability in order to communicate with society, in order to get confident in your expertise in your field. So that is the personal growth. That is what I can say in a different manner. Work and life, how you balance your work and life. So everyone is having two phases. Every person in our universe, they are having two phases. One is work and one more is life. Life means family, your children, your grandpa, grandma, these things. So you have to balance those things. Almost what I can say practically, this is not possible by now. You can imagine in your life. So for earning, every people is going for work 17 to 18 hours daily. Whether they are very lovable with their friends, with their family, with their children, their grandpa, grandma, there is a question mark. You can think it out. So that's why personal growth I am telling. So you have to balance your work and life. Then only you are a human. Okay, for what purpose human or birth got birth here? So he has to love friends, he has to love family, grandma, grandpa. At the no compromise, at never compromise, we have to get everything, finance also, investment also, income also. That's why I'm telling. Okay, so here what I'm saying, practical studies we are giving, real case studies, group lesson, individual coaching and mentoring. So we are with you. You can definitely confident. You can definitely proceed towards your financial freedom. So that's why this APA is founded by our great CEO Andrew Howard in 2011. So I already explained this investment thinking. You will be getting definitely investment thinking. So everyone, you see, for example, I am asking one question for you. Your father, your mother, or your grandpa or grandma, whether they invested anywhere, you think it, you imagine whether they are invested in any instrument in future, sorry, in previous, whether from your childhood, you can imagine investment thinking. What is investment thinking? For example, I am taking myself. My father invested in one of the plot of the land. Okay, my father invested in some the 30 to 40 sovereigns of the gold. Okay, so what they are doing? They already done the investment. It's not a new for us. So we are also doing the investment right now, but it's not new for us. Even our grandpa, even our grandma, mother, and our father, everyone started investing. But what is the root? No, they know what is their knowing. They invested. That's all. They invested in land. They invested in gold. They invested in diamond in previous. But what about now? This is a technology world. So there is competitive. We are going globally. Our ancestors, they invested only in their society, only in their physical properties. That is tangible or intangible, we can say. Tangible and intangible. Tangible means what is that? We cannot realize, we cannot touch that. Tangible. Intangible means physical goods. What is physical good? They invested in land. We can see the land. Gold, we can see the gold. We can touch the gold. Diamond, we can touch the diamond. We can realize. We can get the happiness. So that is the intangible. That is the intangible product, physical product. But our thing is entirely different. We are going globally, tangible. We are investing in tangible things. Okay, so that's why the investment thinking. Our investment thinking should be compatible with the universe. What other people they are doing. What about the investor in US? What about the investor in Australia? What about the investor in UK? What the people are doing? We have to analyze. We have to get them. We have to analyze. We have to compare them, and we have to proceed according to them. That's why the investment thinking. It's a global. Okay. So now we can see Robert Kiyosaki, cash flow quadrant. Everyone knows about this. If you people don't know about these things also, I can explain. So our earnings people, they are having four categories. One is job, that is employee, and another one. So you see, we can divide into two parts. One is left side and right side. So what is that left side? We are having two quadrant. One is this is employee category, and this is self-employed category, and the third one this is businessman B, and the fourth one is the professional investment investor. These are all the four categories. You can imagine, you also, everyone participated here, your friends, your relations, your mother, father, whatever maybe. You can imagine where they are. Okay, so why we have to realize these things? What is the necessity in order to understand this cash flow program? Why? Because this employee is always working for any one of the employer. His boss is not getting sufficient money at the expense of daily 17 to 18 hours. So he is not getting sufficient money. Their family is disturbing. Their family expecting more, but he is not getting sufficient money at the expense of all hard work, at the expense of his skill. He is getting nothing. How he can survive? What about his future? What about his children's future? You can imagine. If you are an employee status now, you have to imagine, you have to think it out. Okay, so what is the next step? Entrepreneur, self-employed. So what are the plus, what are the pro and con, what are the advantage and disadvantage of being a employee life, employed history of about 5 to 10 years? So you have to jump into next quadrant. What about the next quadrant? That is self-employed category. You have to become your own boss. Your time must be useful for you, all you only. Okay, it may not be someone. You have to live for you, not for your boss. You have to get sufficient money. You have to give it to your generation. That is a necessity, no? So after our birth, after our death, after our death, we have to give something to our generation. So you have to think it out. So next step, what is the next step? After some 5 to 10 years, you get all the job experience. You have to jump into next quadrant. That is the self-employed category. Even though if you are jump in this second category, what about, so you are the one boss, okay, and your time is okay, for your time is utilizing for you only, that is okay. But still you are not sufficient having money. Still you are getting more disturbed, more. Why? Because your responsibility, you are your own responsibility. For example, if you want to take a leave of 1 month, it is possible by self-employed? It is not possible, because if you shut down your company for 1 month, being a self-employed category, you think you can imagine? What about after being 1 month, your job people will come here with you? It's not possible. You cannot take leave. You cannot. What I can say, even there is no freedom. There is no time freedom. There is no financial freedom. You have to work continuously with us. That is self-employed category. Then after, you can realize one more quadrant is there, businessman. You have to jump towards there. There is the third category. That is right side. Businessman. What they are doing? They try to got all the people's time. I can say other people's time. Businessmen, what they are doing? They are hiring thousands of people boldly, confidently. Others people time they are utilizing in a better way. Okay, that's why they are businessmen, and they are enjoying freedom. Time freedom is there. Financial freedom is there. They are giving. They are taking more assets from the field, from the universe, and they are translating to a generation. Almost 4 to 5 generations they are already having asset. How it is possible? Only thing different, they are try to they try to theft all other people's time. That is the only technique, only skill the businessman having. So why not you? Why not you hold that? Investing some money, you can be a businessman. Okay, even though for that businessman, for example, in pandemic situation, what happened? Almost 50% of our entire universe companies already shut down, closed. There is no production. There is nothing there. It's already closed more than 70 days. What about the business? What about his company? What about his employees? Nothing. So this even though for the businessman, even though for large scale industries also, due to this pandemic situation, natural calamities, what about? So they are also got survived. They are also having some risk factor is there. Even though for businessmen risk factors is there. Several companies not exist. Several that is what I can say. What I can say, that company existing in globally. Okay. So multinational companies, I can say multinational companies, even the multinational companies is not there. Nowadays they're gone. There is no chance to retrieve again. That's why the businessman. So even though businessman, even though large people, large companies are having doubt, so they are also in risk factor now due to this pandemic, natural calamity. Okay. So and then there is one more fourth quadrant, professional investor. So he is very wise. What he is doing? What is the difference between the businessman and third quadrant, fourth quadrant? So he is both utilizing this other people's time and other people's money. That's why he is going to create more businessmen, more clients, more businessmen. So that in a professional investor, what he is doing, they are funding for the startup companies. Several startup companies they are funding. They are collecting money, that is through MLCA, multi-level crowd investing department. They are collecting by legal way, by genuine way. They are collecting funds and they are going to fund the startup companies. So all the technologies emerges, and there is more employment creates. So there they get the balance. They are doing the balance of all the four quadrant. Okay, you see, 10% of the money is owned by 90% of the people. So here, overall in first quadrant and second quadrant, their entire money is with the 10% of the people. Okay, 10% of the money is owned by 90% of the people. Okay, here you see in the right side, 90% of the money is owned by 10% of the people. Only 10% of the people holding the 90% of the money, 90% of the people's money. That's why there is an unbalance between these things. So why can't you balance some way? So that is our new consumer society achievement. That is 15% of the entire population has to become inside this fourth quadrant. So wherever you have no problem, even though if you are having first quadrant or second quadrant, third quadrant, try to become in our fourth quadrant. Why? Because we are going to wisely use our other people's time and other people's money and utilize very wisely, legally, genuinely across the continent, go by transparency, go by legally, and give them again the passive income. So we are the professional investor. We are going to create several opportunities for our world. Okay. So you see level of financial literacy. So there is one term, even though many people not knowing what is the financial literacy. So you see here there is a color coding is there. So 20 to 30% up to 71 and percentage more. So you see Canada, for example, if you take Canada, where they lie, you see 61 to 70% of the financial literacy. So almost all the 70% of the people in Canada knows financial literacy. They know how to multiple their money, how to convert $1 to $1 million. They know already. But what about our India? You see gray color, India. So where is the gray? No data. We are even though we not there is no people knowing financial literacy. So why this situation happens? Who is responsible? Your dad and mother already teach you what about the financial literacy? No. Even they also doesn't know what is literacy, what is financial literacy, how to utilize finance, how to generate income within short period, how to preserve our fund capital, how to get more income out of that. So there is no people know. That's why our India there is no data. You see, in gray color, no data. In India, you see, no data. So we feel ashamed, no? So we have to grow. We have to grow. We have to grow. This is 71% and more. Almost our company vision. What is the vision? 15 to 20% of the world population they must know financial education. So at that time in our India as a Indian, okay, and almost all the countries, what we have to do? We have to improve our financial literacy. That's right. Okay. First for your family, then for your society. Is there any solution for that? Yes, we are having a solution from our new personal growth. You have to grow your personalities. Otherwise, it's not possible. Otherwise, you will not become a leader. Otherwise, you will not definitely understand what is financial literacy. Investment courses through our investment courses, we try to give more knowledge, enhanced knowledge. So only thing you must have interest and involvement, nothing other than. If you want to improve your personal growth, if you want to get financial literacy, and in addition that you want to know about the business education, then only it will be everything. This is the solution. So all the three things you have to get include in your life, in your personality. So that is the solution through our financial. through our EAPS, Educational Information Courses, it is possible. Okay, so we already have several stories of success. These people already go millionaire. Okay, so everyone, even if, for example, we are an Indian. Okay, you see here, this is Indian. Okay, this is Indian. Abdul Hamid from Bangalore. So he see Sam Matthew. He is from Kerala actually. He is residing now in Arab. So he is already a president in our company. He already realized his financial literacy, financial growth. He is already a millionaire. How it is happened? So these people are like us. Okay, so they are not something different. They people are like us only. So they already got inside our new 2 to 3 years before. So why now, 3 years after, they are really successful. They are already success. That's why we are showing here. You see, these people, you know, he is from Pune. Deva Munde. Okay, he is from Pune. I know personally him. What about his history? He is also like us. But what I am telling, what I try to tell you, so the same, you will also become successful if you join with us, if you continue to travel with our new. Okay. So before lockdown and after lockdown. So this is like the economical situation of our entire globe. So almost 51% of the world population lost job. Okay, are you agree with me? So this is a strategy. So we are not telling for our business, or we are not telling from the new. It's a strategy, worldwide strategy. 51% of the world population lost job already. What is the solution? And then the second point, there is lots of industry have no hope, like the tourism industry, textile, government job, export and import, oil, cinema or shopping mall. So these are the organizations, these are the development area where they get more profit in previous. If you take the history of from 5 to 10 years back, so these are all the industries, they got several more money, they created more taxes, they get more taxes to the government. But now what happened? They lose all hope. What I can say, after 5 to 10 years after, by this 2020, there is pandemic situation, they may not develop. Sure. For example, after 10 years only import export development, that will yield more income to the government. The same way oil also, the same way cinema industry also. Okay, but now what about the case industry, which is having hope hereafter? That is healthcare, oil, online education, like us, food industry, finance. So because these are the essential things. Without this, we cannot. Every person, there is no survival. We cannot go out of the country, out of home. That's no possible. So that's why healthcare society and online education like us, and then food industry is essential one, demandable one. Every human has to take something for his life survival, finance. So likewise, we are all having a analyze. We are having a what about a global, what happened across our universe, where we have to move. The strategy we are having in our new. You see, for analysis, global industry analysis, oil, gold, and crypto. So while you compare these things, in 2015, oil industry globally it takes 1.5 trillion dollar business volume. And for example, gold that is 157 billion market is there for gold in 2015. What about the crypto? It just emerges at that time. Crypto industry, blockchain technology. Okay, at that time just emerges. It emerges in 2009, but it is peak at the time of 2013, 14, 15. Nowadays, without crypto technology, without blockchain technology, no department, no industry, no area is not there. So now it emerges inside the field. You see, in 2019, after 4 years, oil that is 1.7 trillion, and then crypto. You see, crypto is in third position now. It just crosses the gold. When you compare with the gold industry and crypto industry, which preferred now, that is crypto industry. We cannot avoid. Why? Because the people are using more transactions in crypto. Everyone is understanding, that is, everyone is very easy. They feel easy in order to transact, in order to do the payment worldwide, person to person also, industry to industry also, across the globe, across the country. So we can send money to China. How it is possible? So through crypto, it is very easily possible. We can send a money to, we can send our crypto to a person in Russia. That's not that is possible. Okay, so we cannot rely only on the government. We cannot rely only on the banks. Okay, so that's why crypto get its second place. And while we see in 2022 in future, only 2 years after, what will happen? Crypto will take the first position. $40 trillion business. $40 trillion business will happen every year. Okay, so that's why you see why this screenshot is put here, why this screen is putting here. So you can compare what about oil, what about gold, and what about crypto industry. Now we are trying to give more knowledge about the financial. Okay, so that's why we are showing here that is crypto industry going to be very boom future. So ICO versus STO. What is ICO? These are all the legal entities. Legal tender, I can say legal tender. ICO is nothing but initial currency offer. Okay, so initial currency offer. That is STO is nothing but security token offering. So before that, before emerging this STO, ICO is already there, starting from almost 2013 to 2019. What about there is a technology? People, all the industries, they started raising the fund from our public through some technology. They are having some technology. They try to do some technology. There is an idea behind that, but there is no regulation for ICO. Any company can start. Any company with their idea and technology, with some blockchain arrangements, they can easily start ICO. That is initial coin offering. They can start. Okay, but there is no regulation. There is no government already started the regulation. So that's why they can say this as crowd investing. All the people, you can come and just give some money. We can club and we can start this technology and idea. We can deliver like, but it is not possible without a regulation. While you start comparing with the STO, here regulation. So some advanced model of ICO is the STO. Without ICO, without knowing the plus and minus, pro and cons, or advantages and disadvantages of ICO technique, so we cannot emerge with the STO. Already the US government started their things, okay, in 2017. Why? Almost 90%, that is 80% of the ICO companies got failed. Why? Because there is no proper regulation, there is no proper governing industries, there is no proper governing companies are there. So that's why they got failed. Okay, so every individual decision, every company's decision, it will not be good, it will not be proper. But if any government or if any regulated sectors, they watch clearly, they will tell the rules and regulation of ICO, then it will be success. So what I can say, every 9 company out of 10 company got failed. All the peoples lose their money. Started from 2013 to 2019 till now. But now there is no ICO, there is no process at all. Okay. So while you are coming, there is pump and dump, artificial, there is a justified and unjustified price. Well, any public exchange that coin is listed, no, automatically their prices will be going down. So funding to spend. What about whatever you are investing? That is going to spending only. There is no fund. There is no proper business. There is no back end. There is no real asset. That's why the high volatility is coming. So this is about the ICO. You may get about, you may know already. I am telling. So I hope you understand what I am telling. ICO is nothing but there is an unregulated version. It's already got failed. So by understanding these things, our US government, that is Security Exchange Council, they already formed a strategy. They already announced a legal tender at the beginning of 2017. By now, we are following these things. Security token offering. So financial service, all the companies will not start. They are not eligible to start these things. Only the financial service companies who are already experienced, they only start. It's a scalable business model. What is scalable? It's not like an indefinite one. It's not like an infinity one. It's a scalable. All the properties are counted. Everything is recorded. There is transparency. Regulated by government. Professional investor. Why there is a name called professional investor? Professional investor means, so what are the principles must be have by a professor already by investor. For example, so our company is having 8 rules of professional investor, and then 5 commandments. There is some laws, there is some techniques they have to follow. There is some what I can say, there is some technical skills in order to continuous investor. So that's why the professional investor. So we are creating the professional investor. And long-term investment, how to invest in long-term investment. And private exchange, while these security token coming in private exchange, so there will be a justified price. Why? Because it's already backed by real asset. There is no money circulation, there is no money chain. And dividend, there is a dividend to the investor according to STO. Compulsorily they have to give. There is no manipulation, nothing will happen. Very transparent. Low volatility. What is the meaning of low volatility? For example, gold, if you take gold, if you take diamond, it will not suddenly low your price or suddenly high your price. It's not possible because slowly it will rise or slowly it will grow, get decrease. That's the low volatility. If we see high volatility, what about if you understand the Bitcoin? What about one day it cost just $7,400. The next day it cost around $6,000. How much it decreased? More than $1,000, just decreasing and increasing. That's the volatility. So if you go by STO, our recent that is involved STO security token, it's not like that. Prices will automatically grow. There is no reduction. So likewise, that's why we are telling us stability. Stability is there. So we are following this STO. Why this slide is putting here? We have to know the knowledge. We have to know the knowledge because as an investor, we must know everything. What is happening around the world? Okay. So VIP club. So we are having a closed VIP club for private investor. What we are doing, so all the same like-minded people we join and we start investing and we create the sectors and we create the companies and we started funding the small companies and how to get more about this by investing something, how to get more income, okay, after some time, after some time, after 5 years, after 10 years. So how to create more income out of that? Okay, that's why the club VIP club of a private investor, we are having a closed club. So it will be clear explained by your upline, your sponsor who introduced you to this society. Okay, so and we are having some 5 type of educational information packages. One is EAP beginner, EAP basic, EAP elementary education, EAP secondary education, and again EAP higher education. Okay, so this is $50 and then $250. This is $1,000 and this is $4,000 and this is $10,000. Only 5 packages, 5 educational information packages we are having. So you can select accordingly. So you see these are all the courses names. So these courses are there in your, once you got registered in our company, you will get a back office login. So there they are giving all the information about this. Then only you have started selecting the packages. Okay, so what the first step, you have to start register and then you can get all the packages, courses, what are the details start here. Then you can easily select which type of package is suitable to you. You can get combined with this. Okay, so I can say here that is the same 50 unit to 50,000, 4,000 and 10,000. Okay. And plus ERU bonus with each purchase. That is a crypto unit free gifted bonus. It will be coming with your packages. So by now it may not be active, but in future we is going to be active and get more passive income for you, and you'll be getting more dividend in future. After our STO, that is security token offering process finished. So then your entire CRU token points will be called as the shares. Okay. So that is one type of business opportunity we are having. Before you do everything, you must come here in any one of the packages. Okay. So you try to accompany with your sponsor who introduced you in our society. So you see what we are doing, this crypto unit. So we started in 30th March to 2019, start of the crypto unit program. By 3rd April, so we are having some part two, part one and part two. You see, out of this part one finished by November 2019, by December 2019, we finished the part one, and after January 2020, we started the part two. That is a transition to the second part of the development by the 8th January 2020. Now we are in part two. The same way where we are from the 30th March 2019. I already show you one video, that is the first anniversary celebration of our video. What we have done in the first year, and now we are starting. Now we have progressed towards the second year. Okay, so by now, first May 2020, transition to the stage 2 of the part. Likewise, we are having several stage by stage. We are directly moving. Okay, our motto, entire motto is to improve the crowd of the society. That is 1 million users. That is 10 million users at the end of this December 2020 in our crypto unit project, and in an innovative training program that opens the door for the anyone to learn and become a co-owner of the CRU global portfolio even with minimal resources. What is the minimum of minimal resources? You cannot pay many more. So you see just $50. Okay, so that also you can pay 5 times installment. For example, if you are selecting this $1,000 packages, what you can do, you can select by 10 times installment. So $100 into 10 months, very easy to get inside to get educational packages. that's why with minimum resources they are telling. So the 20 sectors of investment market. So these are all the sectors we already designed, and now the two sectors are also added recently. We are having 22 different sectors, which gives more profitability ratio, and there is stability in this. If you invest in these markets, no, there comes more stability for our preservation of the capital fund, and also to get more income out of that capital fund after some 3 years time or 5 years time. Okay, so these are 20 sectors of the investment market. So right now what we have achieved, global crypto unit program. By now in our company there is 404,737,965 units already. Hope we are having asset like this. Okay, we started with 60 million input, and now that 60 million is raised up to 404 million, almost 700% hike in the first year. How it is possible? That's why our business model, our business growth is almost within a year 700%, nearby 700%. We already improved our asset. Okay, so here you see some of the major our instruments shown here. This is Sushi Master. Sushi Master, chain of Japanese cuisine restaurant and gold mining and KG film industry and innovative buzzer technology. So everything is coming under this crypto unit program only. This crypto unit program you can indulge in this crypto unit program only if you purchase our educational information packages. So what does our crypto unit program provide you? So co-ownership of the global portfolio. What is portfolio? For example, I am telling, if you are a job holder, you are earning 50,000 rupees. Okay, so out of this 50,000 rupees, so how much expenses you will be getting and how much it's going to the asset. For example, you are saving 10 to 20% of your saving. That is 20% means out of 50,000, 10,000 is your saving. So this 10,000 you have to invest in 10 different instruments. It is possible. Yes, it is possible, but you have to, if you know our financial education, it is possible. So if you are earning 50,000 rupees as a monthly income as a family, for example, you and your wife also go for the job. Total earnings maybe 50,000. Out of the 20% is 10,000 rupees. The 10,000 rupees, it has to be diversified. It is not invested in only one particular field. It has to be invested in 10 different fields. So out of that 1,000 rupees in each different project, so that your money will be preserved, it will be safe, and it will create the passive income also for you. That's why the CRU global portfolio. Our CRU global portfolio is nothing but it's a guaranteed global investment portfolio. Why? Because our fund is preserved. Okay, and gradually it is generating the profit also. That's why I already told you, within a year we already got 700%, nearby 700% of the asset growth. Okay, so monthly loyalty bonus, you'll be getting monthly loyalty bonus 10%. How much fund we are raising in our community, 10% will be given, evenly shared for you, and evenly shared for you according to your CRE points you are holding. Opportunity to receive profit bonus. Profit bonus is nothing but, so out of our profit generated by our companies, so you will be getting maximum 35% of the profits you earned. Okay, you earned in our company. So the remaining 65% it is reinvested again in our global portfolio. That's why we are automatically growing. Why? Because only 35% of the profit we are getting outside. Okay, for that also we have to vote. There's a proper channel, there's a proper system in order to take outside our profit. Regulated and transparent financing is very regulated, so we cannot take independent decision. Only CEO can take independent decision, not possible. So there is a councils are there. We are having some legal tender, legal department is there. 20 lawyers are there, so they will guide us. They will be guided in a regulated way. And transparency. What is the transparency? So where we invest and what to do, how much profit is generated, everything. One second. Okay. So this is the transparency. Every week they are giving report. They are giving report. Okay, and every month they are giving report. So that's why the transparency. CRU value growth due to increase in asset. For example, if I got inside before 14 months, so at that time the CRU points value is very less. But by now it is $0.2. I already increased my asset. Okay, how it is possible? Because at the time of my entry in our new consumer community society, each CRE value is just 4 cents, 3 cents, 4 cents. But now it is 20 cents. I cannot imagine within 13 to 14 months it raises its value. It's the asset growth. What I have done for that? Nothing. I have not done anything. It automatically growing. Okay. That's why your CRE points also will be automatically growing. So that's why you can give a chance, you can get opportunity. Possibility of circulation of CRE in global merchandising. Global merchandising. So this is a different topic. So it will be which a major topic we can explain soon on one of the area. Okay. So step by step, what you have to do as a conclusion. Step 1, make the free registration. If you feel confident, this financial education is essential for you, and it's just simple, very simple. So you make a free registration. You connect with your sponsor who is getting insight, and in our through whom you are getting this option. You just connect with him, make a free registration. So then after, become a member of VIP club and receive bonus. Member of the VIP club. So we are having a closed VIP club. So in that VIP club, you have to become a member. Then choose the right EAP, educational information package. You choose the right. We are having only 5 packages: 50, 250, that is 1000, and then 4000, and then 10,000. And then take actions to go for it. That's all. Very simple. So the decision is yours. We already cleared everything. Orally you got a knowledge about this, what we are going, where we are going, what is the business opportunity across the global. Okay. So after analyzing these things, you just take your step. Your decision is yours through Academia Private Investor. Okay. So do you want to earn by learning right now? So actually you are not earning right now, but you are want to learn. We have to learn first. Okay. So invest in your education first. So then only you can invest in any other business. Okay. So here both options are there. You just start your earning. So you just start your learning first, and then automatically there is an opportunity for earning also, side by side, parallelly, as we already did it. Okay. So as we already realized it. Okay. That's why I already said you that is 4 cent of CRE token is now 20 cent of CRE token. You can imagine. So I'm learning every day, every second from our institution. Okay, multi-level crowd investing. What is this department? I already said you that is 3 type of pillars we are having. So once you feel very comfortable, very confident on your financial education department, and you are confident about our that is co-ownership project, then there is a step. You have to take decision whether I can enter inside multi-level crowd investing department or not, because it's a referral program. Once you enjoy these things, I already said I enjoyed that thing. I enjoyed my co-ownership department. Okay, that's why I started spreading to others. Now in my team, more than 2,800 people are there. I can't imagine within this 13 to 14 months how it is possible. I done nothing. I just spread my message. That's all. Okay. So here, what is the beauty of our plan is nothing but multi-level business. So in multi-level, we are clubbing here multi-level business and also with the investment business. So if you do any MLM, multi-level business in other companies, so only these things you will get it. But if you indulge in our company, what you will get? Additionally, you are getting an investment business also. Multi-level business is nothing but you are going to sell a product. That's all. Out of that, you are going to get an income, get an incentive only one time. That is a multi-level business. But here, what happened? We are included in investment also. Okay, so that's why investment is nothing but you are getting monthly, you are month on month, generation wise generation passive income. So that's why we club here multi-level business and investment business both. That's why the MLCA technique. There is no MLCA technique in our universe as like we are in our new. That I am assuring. I am promising now. Why? Because we already realized. Okay, so you can also go and search anywhere. You can consult with your friends, relatives, society people, for all know, for all what I can say, for all you can say there is a favorable person for you, or you can ask with any person, your friend, your relationship. What about this MLCA? They will clearly understand you. They will clearly teach you. What about our beauty? Okay, so we can here what you can see investment business is a prestigiable business. Opportunity create asset of 1 million in just 24 to 60 months. It is possible. Okay, so that is global investment portfolio. Opportunity increase your capital quickly, very rapidly. You can increase your capital. How much you are invested, that is different, but you are getting more major assets. That's the beauty of this MLCA department. Whatever we have done from 2014, more than 7.5 lakh people are active. What is the meaning of active? Active is nothing but they are also getting the education, and they also started referring. Why they have started referring? Because they enjoyed. For example, if I got some good opportunity, whether I can tell you my friends or relatives, definitely. Why? Because they are all my real friends, real relations. I am loving him. Okay, I am loving my society. Same frequency minded people are there. Why can't I tell to someone? So that's why while everyone started doing, that's why the business operations in 175 countries, we cannot imagine. Almost more than 180 countries, we already there. Our presence is there. 71 achievers in rank president. President is the topmost prestigious rank in our MLCA department. Already 71 people are president. We speak more than 11 languages. Just it is now adding, add on. Okay. So almost as a bonus, how much we have given the bonus in this 5 years? That is 6 years. 96 million 398,724 we are giving as a network bonus. You can imagine 1 million is nothing but in our INR it is nearby 8 crore. You can calculate 96 million how much amount of money it is delivered to our global partners. We cannot imagine. Okay, it's a wonderful opportunity. You never miss it. This opportunity will come lifetime once. Okay, definitely, I am sure. I assure you. So this opportunity will not come you again. Okay, so already we achieved 13.5 million. Now I can say today it is already we already crossed 1.5 million people registration over 5 years. Okay, so you see what is the last term? In every 2 minutes one registration. Every 2 minutes one registration is happening. How fast we are developing. That is our target. Within this December 2020, we will reach 10 million people. By now, 1.5 million people. So if we attain six times, 600% growth, as like we already done in our asset, what happened? So already almost we are 10 million people. By Indian system, it is 1 crore people. Okay, so this is our beauty of our financial model. Okay, so that is stories of success. You see, in our India, any one person in India is this? Okay, Alina Pepina. Okay, stories of success. These are all the successful stories. Rita Ashin, you may know. Okay, and I can see there is advantages of MLCA business. Business from home. Be your own boss as like self entrepreneur. Start your international business from scratch. What is the meaning of scratch? You are having nothing, even though there is an opportunity in our company. Starting from the scratch, there is no money. I can say negative level of investor. What is the negative level of investor? So there is no money in his pocket. His purse is empty. Why? Because he may be loose from somewhere. He may be a bankruptcy person. Any person, but only the interest involvement must be. If interest involvement will be no, then you can start from your scratch also. You will become millionaire soon. Within 3 to 5 years of our company travel, you will become definitely a millionaire. Okay, unlimited earning potential, multiple income streams. What is the multiple income streams? While doing a one job, you are getting different streams of income. That is the multiple income streams. Okay, I'm doing only one job. What is the job? I started my career as a financial education. I already have more asset. In addition to that, I started referring. There is an also additional income. Monthly getting more than nearing $2,000, $3,000 I'm getting. That is the additional multiple income stream. Unique business model. There is no model like this in our universe. You can search in Google, or you can talk with your, or you can consult with any people in your relationship. There is no unique. There is no business model like this. Massive leverage across the entire network. Okay. So how to become the part of our project? It's very simple. Register, verify it. Verify means by do your own due diligence. You have to analyze what is there according to your mind. It is possible. It is transparent. Is there any disadvantages there with our system? You have to verify. Then participate. What is the meaning of participant? You just start your financial education courses. That's all, and then start implementing. Implement is nothing but you have to learn. Learning is must be everyday learning. I'm learning. If I started learning, how can I teach you? It's not possible. I'm learning again every day. So in your back office login, you just started login inside and log out every day. Automatically, you are getting learning because all the news are updating, all the messages are coming. What are all the different department, what they are doing, everything you are learning. It's not like a traditional education. It's like a practical education. By visual, you are visualizing. We are visualizing your mind. Okay, by seeing some pictures, you already visualize. You already taken information to your mind, subconscious mind. That's why implementation. Nothing is not like a traditional education. Always writing, always reading, writing the exam. It's not like that. It's a different, unique model. It's a different, unique financial education. If and only if you come inside, you cannot realize. Even though what I am telling, what's my feeling, you cannot understand. But slightly, for some 5 to 10%, you can realize my views, my opinion. Okay, don't miss this opportunity. I'm saying, as a successful investor, as a successful man, okay, in this business, I'm telling everyone is invited. You please come to our project. So if you come, what you will get? See a gift. Okay. So in this particular month, if you started registering inside and come inside our VIP club, you'll be getting 350 CRU points, gifted CRU points, in addition to your financial education course. And then as a school, okay, so for every Thursday, every Tuesday, we are giving free investment literacy training from our company. The time is nothing but 8 p.m. to 9:30 as a relaxed time. Wherever you can go, no problem. Your job, you can go. Your business, you can do. Anything you can do as a relaxed period in your bed from 8 p.m. to 9:30 p.m. No one is job. No one is having job not that time. So you are at bed taking rest. Okay, so that is every Tuesday you are giving, you are getting financial, that is free investment literacy training, and from every Thursday free MLCA business training. Yesterday is Thursday, I got listened in Hindi, excellent. They are giving all the languages. You can see not only Indian languages, French, Spanish, Dutch, English, across all the languages they are giving. Okay, MLCA free MLCA business training. These are all the things you will be getting if you get inside our education. Or there is a presidential council. So you see Andrei Koratov, he is the CEO of our nation, and then Mila Sejikova, chairperson of the presidential council. He is from UK actually. Her native country is Estonia, a small country. You can see in the map, world map, Estonia. So he's under 30. Mila Sejikova is a presidential council member. Our strategic development, head of the strategic development department in our company. Petru Jelba, he is from Maldives. And then from Italia, there is Dragas Sanchu. They are all presidents. Andrew Hawks from Australia, Armand Monique from UAE, and then Zemilia from Kazakhstan. So there is a small, even though there are small companies, why how they become successful in our country? They are also like the new joinee in our company, in our new society, some 2 years, 3 years before. If you come tomorrow, you are also like a glittering star in our company. Harvinder Singh is from India, but he is residing in Italy. He is also one of the president. And then Dr. Lydia Wainam, a lady, you see from India, Manipur. How he started, and he is now president. She is now president. From India, both two people are there. Out of 10 people, so only in our India, two people are there. And then Cam, that is Nina Hang. So he is from USA. So these people are just as like we. There is no difference between them and us. Okay, there is no difference. They are also human like us. Okay, but what they have done, they got all the education. They just started doing as like our education says. Okay, so they improved their personal growth, personalities, and they started communicating. They started in MLCA. They started developing the structure across the world. Okay, that's why they are now in presidential council. We can also come, no problem. There is no doubt at all. So what will be your decision? Your decision must be with you. It's not like we are compelling you, or we are not urging you. Nothing. Okay, leave everything as it is or get financial investment education. You're going to get multiple sources of passive income. You're going to get. Be part like minded community. That is same frequency minded community. You are going to enter in same frequency minded people. Ability to create asset. It's very easy to create the asset. You cannot easily purchase the land of 1 crore, but if you inside get inside within 2 to 3 years, it is possible. I already realized, okay, an opportunity to leave a legacy. What is the meaning of legacy? Legacy means there's a unique model, unique. Whatever in my dream, it already realized. I already realized, and it is starting towards. While I am taking death, no. What about Ravi Kumar? What he done? That is the legacy. So you have to give some legacy on behalf of you to the society. So the decision is yours. Okay, I'm not compelling you, but the opportunity it will come once in a lifetime. I can say, really, wholeheartedly. Okay, thank you everyone for your passions and listening us and listening myself. What is my view opinion? Thank you everyone. Now I am going to stop my share. Okay, thank you participants across the world. Thank you very much.